boiling right now. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, yeah. Nya. Oh. Salad.
Yeah? I'm having salad. Salad is actually very good for your health. And salad is depend on how you put it. For example, I put this. This is only a few drops. This drop is really good for you. It's called ranch spiritual. It's called spritzer drop. French drop. You have to shake it really well. Open it. Like every handful of salad, then you spray 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's good enough because I already have some salad sauce on it. And for my salad, I always like to put, this is a secret, I always like to put peanuts. Peanuts is crunchy, but don't put too much. Okay, this is salty salad, salted salad. So I put just enough. Okay, that is good. Let's see. Okay, that's normal. Wash my hand. And that's about it. Voila. Dinner is served. Thank you very much. Which brain doesn't have space at all.
Ready to play?
Not
yet.
And I will pee.
Okay.
And the video is so big.
Ooh. This is Nokia N8. Dun 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 dun. Who's Nokia? Aha. What time is it? Oh, 7 something. Get eye tells it all. Something is over there. Right there. Right there. Okay, goodbye.